Audio Jungle. This is High Tech News TV News. State Bank of India Chennai Circle celebrated our nation's 78th Independence Day at their local head office, Chennai. Chief guest Sri Parminder Singh, Chief General Manager of State Bank of India Chennai Circle, quoted, "Freedom what we are enjoying now are the cumulative contribution from each individual. We have to contribute to the society for its better cause. State Bank of India has contributed barricades for road safety to F3 police station at Nungampakam."
Good morning all. Warm greetings to all my colleagues present here and the families on 78th Independence Day of our great country. It's a moment, which we need to celebrate and also remember the sacrifices which went into gaining freedom and the way we live today as a free country, as free citizens of this great country. We have come a long way since 1947, when virtually we used to import food grains for our population. Today we are challenging Germany and Japan to become the third largest economy. It is a splendid story in a very short period. Probably only Japan comes somewhere near to it, which progress faster than our country. In these 78 years or so, the country has faced so many challenges, right from starting from the partition, and the way we have come up today. And this is due to all the contribution by every citizen of this country and the hard work put in by all of us. Every single citizen of this country has contributed to making this country today where we stand and where we are poised to grow further. It's a real moment of pride for all of us that we are at the cusp of history to become a developed country from a very poor country, as they used to call it that time. And the freedom struggle itself is unique. It had, both the components. There was a violent part of it, there was a non-violent part of it. And we celebrate both. And the non-violent part has been gradually accepted by the world, that it was really a unique freedom struggle. The way we challenged the British and we became free. We need to remember the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters, the well-known ones and the not so well-known ones. And thereafter, two very important people in this country, the Jai Jawan and the Jai Kisan. That holds very relevant today and which will hold very relevant forever. We as a bank have also grown during this period, and we have contributed to the country's growth story. We may not come to know, but actually in real sense, there are many people whom we have uplifted from poverty. The bank has played a great role in upliftment of the society. We are the ones who have implemented each and every scheme of the Government of India for the benefit of our society. The underprivileged ones, they are equally important for this bank. And we should be proud that our bank, not only being the biggest bank, but being the biggest contributor in the growth story of the country, and we should reaffirm our commitment to this great country on our 78th Independence Day. So once again, I congratulate you and greet you on 78th Independence Day. Jai Hind.